Hi, Kiran.
Hi, Smriti. Yeah. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, Smriti. Yes.
I'm audible, right?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay, great. So, how are you? Sorry about yesterday. Huh?
Good. I'm good. Oh, yes. For me, it is getting. Sometimes I am delaying. Sometimes from your side, it delaying. Yeah. Yeah.
Actually, at weekend, I would have like full day, like till
Okay.
late evening.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Fine. No problem. Yeah.
Okay. So, how did you practice in the weekend?
Yeah. It is. I was practiced actually, but the ASP.NET which you told I couldn't able to pull it, but I have taken it to home and I just changed it. Then I put it in the Azure, so I'm able to open the from Docker Hub to I have placed it into the Azure.
Okay. So, before we move ahead and create a repository on Azure, right?
Okay,
So, can you try to publish this container into AWS?
okay. The same thing. Okay,
How we did in Azure,
okay.
right?
And
Same way,
yeah,
can you?
one more thing, I because we have started container that day. I think we didn't stop it. I think it will charge something or what actually because
You
I
have
got
not deleted it on
no,
Azure.
no, yesterday I deleted, but 2 days I kept it. I forgot actually. I was getting
So
some
did you
message.
check your bill?
That's what it is saying. Thing 12,404. It is remaining. It is coming. I don't know. It is saying free trial
Remaining, right?
remaining.
It's not charged, it is remaining. So that's a good news.
No, no, no.
Okay, share your screen. Let's see.
That's what I was worried actually because Bipin every
We
time
will
told
see
that
right away.
told every time delete
Hmm.
immediately. So I also forgot actually. That time.
Ah.
So it
Your
was
free credit expires in 2 days anyways.
okay. Hmm. So it is
This is
not charged.
anyway.
Okay.
No, it is not charged.
Okay.
And scroll it down a little bit. Credit remaining, you have enough.
Okay.
Scroll down.
Yeah.
Hmm. No, not this window, this window. This one. Wait. Hmm. This one. Scroll a little bit down, little bit
Yes.
down. Yes. So almost like 1K you have used.
Okay. Okay. Correct.
Uh, 12K. And if you want to see the free services, no, you should confirm here. Azure
Okay.
free services for 12
Then
months. So
I have deleted all that repository, everything Azure. Yeah.
that is fine that you deleted. That is always a good practice.
Okay.
But there are few services that would be free for 12 months.
Okay.
After for 12 months after you upgrade your account, certain amount of popular product for compute, networking, storage, database are free after 12 months.
Okay.
Free
Okay.
for 12 months, right? So you have to upgrade your account, but still these services should be free, right?
Upgrade means I have to pay for 1 year something or what?
No, you have to upgrade your account to pay as you go.
Okay. Fine.
But
Fine.
then when you are into pay as you go, you have to be careful that apart from these services, all other services would be charged,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
So, so like you see, 750 hours of VPN gateway. 750 hours means one complete month. If you keep it running, it
Mm-hmm.
would be free,
Okay. Okay.
right? Like that, if you see uh, VM,
That means nothing should be running continuously, right?
uh,
Correct.
right? If you create a virtual machine B1S, right?
Mm-hmm.
It could be window or the server or the Linux, both for 1 month. If you like 750 hours, you can use it for free
Okay.
within that next 12 months, right?
Okay.
like that.
Fine then. Fine.
See, container registry is free.
Okay.
One
Okay.
standard tier or 100 GB and webhooks are free.
Okay. Okay.
Free container service to cluster virtual machine, that would be free, always free. So like
Okay.
that, certain service are free, certain service you would be charged. But then you have to very careful about it, what are free, what are charged. Right?
Mm.
So like you create a virtual machine, but that is not B1S, then you would be start charging and you would
Okay.
think like it has to be free, right? But you
Yes.
would be
Yes.
charged for that.
Okay.
So like
Okay.
that, you have to be careful if at all you decide
Fine.
to upgrade, because I can see after 2 days your account is going to be cancelled, like
Okay.
exhausted,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
It
Okay.
says.
Okay. Fine. Understood. Understood.
Mm. Now, I just want you to go to AWS and try to publish your container. Then we will move to the Azure registry.
Okay.
AWS account is your valid still?
Yeah, yeah, it is there. I think so. Yeah. Yeah. Here it is there.
Mm.
Okay. Now. So. So then I have to see the EC2,
I
right?
won't be telling you.
Okay.
No, I'm not telling.
Uh, this is again confusing actually.
No, we what in eight Azure what we did? Try to relate to Azure. I think you have done AWS with Vipin also, right?
Yeah, we've been once actually. Okay.
Hmm. So try to figure out what we are trying to do here.
There, yeah, we have find out the container actually from the
Hmm.
container, then we
So try
create
to
it.
search container, no?
Hmm. Okay.
This OneDrive a red mark is coming for you or my system?
Where?
On the bottom of the screen.
This one.
Huh? This is yours or mine?
Yes, mine only. This is something
Okay, okay.
OneDrive I have not installed.
That's fine.
Mhm. This is something.
Right now, what it is taking sample app service.
Yes, sample app service.
Go up and click on edit, or you can click on custom. Scroll up, custom. Or if you want, you can first try a sample and then you can try a custom. Anyway, it would work for me.
Okay.
This image is already there. We are not providing our own image. It
Okay.
is already given there. This is a sample image.
Okay. Okay.
Like how Azure give us the quick start images,
Okay. Okay.
right?
Subnets.
Mhm. It would create a new subnet for you, a new network for you.
Okay.
By now, you go to Docker and find out the path of the service of the image that you want to publish here.
Okay.
This is the Tutum Hello World.
Yes, it's current. I just modified it.
Hmm.
Then I have put this. Yeah, this is the one.
Okay.
Because ASP.NET, you told that to do that, but I couldn't able to pull
No
the
problem.
ASP.
That is also a ready-made file kind of thing, like the ready-made container.
Yeah, when I try to pull corresponding, it is not available. It a message came.
Or maybe it is. You have to check the right path and right repository.
Okay.
Kiran, give me 1 minute. I need to change my location.
Sure. No problem.
So let's go. Scroll down.
Okay.
Now click on View Service.
Okay. Now, here I can say the task is running, but I want to.
Depending on what container is into that sample,
Okay.
right? You would be able to see that. Correct?
Okay. Okay.
In that container, if there is a Tomcat or something, then you would be able to execute it. Like
Okay. Okay.
some Apache service or web service, then you can see that. Otherwise,
Okay.
so what is this service is sample is repository? First definition. This is your task. Hmm. This is one service that is running at this moment.
Okay. Okay.
It is in the running status. Sample app service. These are the First, let me see if there is a URL is given there. This is looking a bit different than last time we did it. Everything we can see, but I'm not sure what service it has because it is not showing us any URL to access the service.
Okay. Okay.
Right. Let me try to create one.
Okay. Image means that one the Docker, whatever we copied, that we have to paste it here.
Hmm.
Shall I paste
Yeah.
it? No.
We copied this thing, no?
Yeah. Correct.
Mhm. Memory limit should be okay. 128. 128 GB is too much, right?
I think it is
It's
MB. I
MB,
think.
MB, MB. That's what I'm thinking. Image is too much.
I think.
Let's check. I'm not configuring. Okay. It would create a new. I don't have any VPC as of now,
Okay.
right? So we'll leave it like that.
VPC means like
Network.
network.
That you create a VPC and then inside that you create a subnet.
Okay. Okay.
So if you have multiple networks or multiple CIDR to be defined there, you would create that many VPCs there, virtual private cloud.
Okay. Okay.
Because basically the IP address is something that define your share of cloud or your share of network, right?
Yes. Yes.
Basically the IPs define your area
Okay.
in a
Okay.
virtual world, isn't it?
Yes, yes, correct. And this cloud, everybody follow to the same convention. Otherwise, you have to remember each
Mm.
thing.
That is why when you go for a static IP, it is always charged. Like you
Okay.
have to pay extra if you want a. Mm.
Your own FQDN, and then you need to pay
Hmm.
extra.
Even if you buy an IP also,
Okay, okay.
that would always be charged. This is the deployment. This is in progress.
Improve.
Let it be. We should have two
Make
clusters
it,
here.
make it.
One container is there. Is it is running or is it active?
I think now Act 2. Okay. Okay. Instance is not running.
Hmm?
I think Act 2, but we need to start something.
They keep on changing it. No? It used to get a URL there. We have a service that should be able to access this, right? We have to push then here. This is repository. We are in the right place.
And we,
Huh?
hmm,
Let me check. Okay. By then, you create a registry into Azure also. I
okay,
will just check and come back on this. Just give me 2 minutes. I'll check
okay,
my in my system. I will check. Okay.
okay, okay.
Kiran, are you trying to create that repository there?
A container repository I have created, but
Okay.
yeah, then no container instance. Okay, we are just loading that the image to the instance and running, and the container registry. What we are doing here exactly here? Con-
Okay. So till now, what we did, we created.
Hello. Yes,
Okay.
please.
I'm just looking at. So till
Okay.
now, what we did, we are using just a service where we can publish our images, right? But our image, when I have to share it, where I have to upload, push it. Where are we trying to push?
You are trying to push in here in the Azure and or AWS cloud services.
Yes. So no. Where is your image? From where you are trying to publish it?
My image in Docker Hub, correct?
Docker Hub. So
Yeah.
Docker Hub is what kind of repository?
It's a container repository.
Right. So it is
Yes,
a it is a container repository which is public,
yes,
right?
correct, correct.
If you want to configure it private, what you have to do?
Okay. So
What you have to do then? You have to
here,
take the either the enterprise licenses for that, or
yes,
you
yes,
have
yes.
to make it public, right?
Yes, yes, correct. Yeah.
So in that case, what we'll do, we'll use the Azure service, right?
Okay. Okay. So instead of Docker container, you are telling now we'll use
Hmm.
a Azure container instead of publishing
Right.
into Docker Hub. We'll publish directly to Azure.
Repository we'll use into,
Okay. Okay. Okay.
right?
Okay.
Okay. So for that, we have to first create a registry there. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. Okay.
So either we can do through the CLI or we can do through the
Okay. To the
this.
portal.
Uh,
Okay.
so let's go to container registry.
Okay.
This is
I
the
just
registry that you have created.
yes, correct.
Okay. Mm, let
But
me.
it is
Huh?
when I copied here and pasting, and it is
No,
saying that
I'm disconnected, I guess. I cannot see your screen.
now is it okay?
Now it is fine.
Okay. I paste this and it is saying like this: container registry start free.
You have created one, no?
Yeah, I have created, but this URL when I pasted over there, so it is saying that one.
Okay. Let me see what all you have here.
Okay.
Can you go back? Oh, wait, you have to leave the mouse.
Okay. I just left.
Okay. I still don't get access, so let me request remote control. So here what we have repositories, right? Right
Yes.
now
Yes.
there is nothing. Okay. So can you go back to Docker? Not this Docker. I mean, mm, your Docker.
Desktop, right?
Huh. I think CMD should do, right? Command prompt.
Yes. Yes. Okay. It worked actually. There is some
Login. Huh.
virtualization is enabled. So
Is it login is also there, no?
yes. Yes. It is there. Yes.
Somehow my charger is giving me trouble today.
Oh. Okay.
Every time it is getting unhooked. Okay.
No, I think.
Okay.
Yes.
So let us create a repository from here. You are logged in, right?
Yes, correct.
So I'll do it. Edit group create name. Let's say I said I'm creating a resource group as of now. Okay,
Okay.
DevOps or Docker demo. Fine.
Okay, fine.
And location is US. Fine.
Okay.
Sorry.
I think EAST. Okay.
This is created. Now inside this group, let's create a registry. Okay.
Okay.
So AZ ACR create.
Okay.
Why it is ACR create. Which resource group? Just now what we created, right?
Okay.
Docker demo. Right?
Yes.
What is the name of my registry? If you want, if we were using that AZ library, we could have defined this variables in advance. But here I'm giving it manually, right?
Okay.
Hidden ACR. And then I'm giving it SKU basic.
Okay.
Huh?
What is SK basic here?
When you were creating, it would be different tiers, no? Basic, standard, premium,
Okay.
like that.
Okay.
You remember when you were creating through GUI?
Okay. Yeah. Basic prime time. Correct.
Hmm.
Fine.
So we have created a basic. Now inside what it says, the following argument are required.
Resource group space. I think resource hyphen group. No.
Sorry. It is not taking my.
I just more there.
Yes, just here. Before that,
Okay.
dash. Enter. Now what?
On the unrecognized arguments demo. So
Where
after
we have
ACR,
Kiran ACR.
demo is not taking.
Demo has to be the part of name. No?
Okay. There won't be any space.
There should not no space.
Okay.
Otherwise, it is taking it as a command.
Okay.
Now what?
It is not finding the Docker spelling wrong, I think.
Hey Bhagwan, how many wrong things I have done?
No.
Right?
Wait.
No.
I think starting.
Like,
You are written like that only.
No. Before that, in the first command, on the top, you see
Yeah, Docker
this
demo.
one.
Correct. This is correct. Yeah, this is correct.
Now, no error, please.
Okay.
So what it would be doing? It would be creating this one here. So if I go,
Okay.
where is your login? Here is the login. If you see,
Yes, correct.
one more should be here. Right?
Yes.
Hidden ACR demo.
Yes, correct.
Right? Now inside this, I have to push my image. Right?
Okay.
So let's say I pulled an image, let's say Okay. Doctor. Mhm.
Okay. Okay.
Full,
Okay.
right?
Yes.
Now I would tag it. Like while what you do while committing, you put a tag, right?
Yes. 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 While committing, we'll
So,
put it in.
so
Docker
you
tag.
have done that. Next, this time I'm just putting the tag. Docker tag. Hello world. What is the name of my ACL? Let's
Uh,
copy this path. This path, no, we'll
okay.
copy.
Okay. Okay.
Fine.
Okay.
And hello world. Let's put it version 1 or any name you
Okay.
can put for
Okay.
that matter.
Okay.
I'm
Okay.
just putting version 1. So
Okay.
till now the tag is created,
Okay. Fine.
right?
V1. Okay.
This is the one that I'm going to push,
Okay. Okay.
right?
Okay.
Now Docker push.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Looks good.
But when you
I'll
push
take this
this,
name.
okay.
Fine.
So okay, when you push here and if you
So
give
where
the
I'm pushing where?
yeah, it in Azure. So if you're giving the Docker means you have the Docker kind of a push command here, right?
Right. I'm in Docker as of now.
Okay,
From
okay,
here, I'm just pushing it to my repository,
okay, okay.
right? Like
Yes,
how
yes.
you do into the Docker hub. Instead
Okay,
of Docker hub, where I'm pushing into my own repository, my
okay, okay,
private repository,
okay,
right? So request
and
access to resources denied. Okay, let me see here. So in the security,
is there any case sensitive? No.
hmm, you have to, I guess, give. Hmm, admin user enable.
Okay,
Right. Your login there is something. Either ACR login.
I think on the hyphen name, I think we need to go the name.
Let's see. I have enabled this. Username is this. Let's try it. What is the name of the repository?
Yeah, correct. Okay, done. Yeah, done.
Should be now able to push. Or what? Login is successful. Now try to push. Okay. What is your ID?
Azure idea, is it?
Disabled. This is your ID only, no?
Correct.
Hmm?
This is my idea.
You did ACR login. Then what is your problem then? Says login successful, right?
This is indeed.
We did the Docker login also, right?
Docker login also did it. Shall we type that one? Docker login.
Try that.
Maybe when we give instead of V1, we have to give the full name and V1 you have to give the tag we are giving.
Sorry?
Instead of the we have
Full name also we gave, no?
and then this one when you're pushing, we give the Azure and that IO that V1, right? There we have to give the full name.
No. We are doing it for while pushing. We would give the full name,
Okay.
right? Here, when we do the push, we have given the full name, right? For login, we have to give the path of max to max. We can do this.
Okay.
Right? This is what we should be doing. access login succeed, but when you are trying to push, it doesn't push.
Case history.
Where exactly are we missing something? You are the owner, right? With this ID
Yes.
only you have logged into Azure.
Yeah, this side only.
Are you sure?
Yes, sure, sure.
Hmm. All network is enabled already. Hmm. Let me give it like this. Uh, Login. And online registrants post token. Once the name of my registered and given UPI. Let's try it like this.
Okay.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Okay. And then username. Let's give this.
Okay. Okay.
In my system, I have just done the expose token and it uploaded. I don't know why it is not accepting your system. That's very simple, you know. It should not be this complicated.
Maybe we need to check the Docker commands na, from the Docker, how we can other containers.
No, it is fine, you know, like no, I was giving the right command. It's fine, but it has to be like this only. This part at least I'm confirmed.
Okay. Okay.
It's your okay, let me try it like this. Mm, Here, what is the image ID?
Now, when you do the Docker images, na, it comes current doc, I mean, current ACR demo. This one, this
Mhm.
you created in the Docker. Is it this image?
This is in the local machine right now.
Correct local version.
From here, I am trying to push it. Does not exist with the tag. Hmm. Okay, let me create another tag. Docker tag. Okay, this is hello world, no?
Yes. Yes.
Mm. So what I'll do is, mm, okay,
Okay.
and then my ACR path. Okay,
Okay.
fine. And I'll give it a name.
Okay.
Okay. Fine. Now let me try to push this. Now please go. Don't bug me. So it is going.
Oh, push it now.
Push that.
Okay.
Right?
What was the problem? Not.
I think it was not taking directly V1 that.
Okay.
We were trying to give it a tag for V1, no?
Correct.
It
Correct.
was not taking that. So I gave it another name and it took. So we were actually doing it right, just that the V1 tag was not accepted there.
Okay. Okay. And one more thing, a small question. When we are giving the tag, so you will give the ACR name and then the tag you are giving. So that one will with the tag, which will identify that what kind of cloud service is it. That way.
No, we are giving here the path, no? Here,
Comment. Yes.
here, what we are giving here, the
Yes. Yes.
repository path.
A repository, but then that's what I'm saying.
Huh.
When you're giving the tag, so we have
Huh.
to give the
The
cloud
complete path.
service, yeah, the complete path. So okay. If it Docker
Yes.
means, it will be Docker path will be there.
Docker path, right? So
Okay.
it would by default take the Docker. But
Okay.
when I'm putting this particular path, that it says that it is on Azure, right?
Okay. Okay.
So
Okay.
it would go and search in Azure only.
But when you're giving Docker, we don't give any Docker something directly. I can do
No, no,
Kiran.
no. It is directly there. It is inside Docker, it knows. But when I'm not on Docker, then
Okay.
I give it a path and I
Path.
do the ACR login also, right?
Fine. Fine. Understood. Understood.
I
Okay.
am already logged into Azure. I'm already logged into ACR,
Yes. Yeah. Aged is here. Okay.
right?
Yes. Yes.
Now, if I go here,
Now it comes V1. Okay. Okay.
this V1 is there, no?
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Yes.
Either you
Okay.
can create a webhook or you can run the instance directly from here,
Okay. Okay.
right? It would take some time to show up run instance
But
once it is function.
we have done only Hello Karen only, na? Not V1. Na?
Hello Kiran, inside that Hello Kiran, we have given the tag
Okay.
V1.
Okay. 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 Okay.
We
Okay.
have changed the path. It was not taking directly V1.
Okay.
So
Okay.
made a path for it.
Okay. Okay.
So
Understood.
what it did, this is your ACR. Inside this is your repository, right?
Okay. Okay.
And this
Okay.
is your image,
Image. Okay.
right? Like that we have given.
Okay. Okay.
Understood now?
Yes. Understood.
It would take some time to show up and then we would be able to create the instance from directly from here or how we were doing the last time like that also.
Okay. Okay.
Right.
Yes.
Let me enable this again. This has to be enabled normally.
Okay. Okay.
It was not taking, so I tried to disable it. But okay. So either you can run the instance directly from here, right?
Okay. Okay.
It would create a container service for you,
Container
container
service.
instance,
Okay.
right?
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So like, Kiran Tutum, is it Tutum? No, no, hello world.
It's not Hello. Yeah. It's Hello. Yes. I think remaining last same one. Okay. Same options. So whatever we get here only.
Okay.
Yes.
This is one way to create the container instance. Other way is you can go and create a container instance how you did last time.
And path, instead of Docker path, this time we have to go the Azure path.
Azure registry.
Okay. Okay.
So in everywhere you can use this. Even if you're creating a web app and you want to take this registry, you can use this. So this is
Okay.
now your own thing, no?
Okay. Okay.
Now, if I say as your container registry,
Okay.
right?
Okay. Yes.
Here you can go ahead and select ACR demo
Mm-hmm.
and then allocate V1.
Already we have created one one instance.
One we have created directly from here,
Okay.
and one we
Okay.
are trying,
Fine then. Yeah.
right? Two
Yes.
two ways
Okay.
are there. You
Okay.
can run the instance directly, or you
Okay.
can run it from here.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
Port 80 is already there.
Okay. We need to go another port or what? Same. Same. Okay.
Port 80 I have given, na? Missing or not valid. Yeah, okay. Okay. नाम ही नहीं दिया. Given. Okay.
Okay.
So now when I go to this resource, this is the IP address.
Okay.
FQDN, it is not coming here. I think we have not given there. The second one that I am creating, in that I have given the FQDN.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
You can go and check it. And this one is also in progress. So here is my container, right?
Okay.
And terminate it. Okay. This is my FQDN that I have defined, right?
Yes.
Let me go.
I think we need to start our container.
That is what I'm thinking. Let's do a Docker run. Or let me do it like this. It would be much easier. Hello from Docker. Right.
Okay. Okay.
It's just still trying to connect. So like this, you can try Tutum Hello World or something,
Okay. Okay.
and
Okay.
you can see if you can able to see that.
Okay. Okay.
This message shows that your installation appear to working correctly. So
Okay.
maybe it is not configured to for the webhook, right? You
Webhook.
try
Okay.
your Tutum Hello World, and then you can try to do this.
That
Yes.
means when that is exposed to web, I think that will show. I think you're saying, right?
That would be showing on the web page.
That I will
Right.
try. Yeah, I
This
will
is
try.
just the hello world.
Mhm.
So you can why your system is a little different than mine. I think I should demo on my system only. Basic commands, right? You see the command help. Let me F7. Can you get that?
Yeah.
This is different than mine. Anyways, You can get this list of the commands that we have done, right?
What is the command you pressed? F7 is it?
F7.
Okay.
In my system, I do this mm, the history only. I'll get all the list. But in
Okay.
your system, it seems to be different. So no worries. You can still see that and what we have done. So you can try to create with Totum Hello World this time. Create a new registry,
Okay.
right?
Okay. Okay.
Pull
Okay.
Totum Hello World, push it, and then publish it through the container instance.
Then register. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
I'll do
Try to create a document on this
document. Okay.
with the screenshots. How I
Okay.
have given you the other one, no, like lab manual.
Okay. Okay. That way. Mhm.
Right. Try to create one that would be helpful for you in future. And when you do that, you would notice so many things into that. Right?
Okay.
No.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, I will
All
do
right. Then tomorrow I'll try to prepare that AWS. I'll check my login and
that.
we'll
Okay.
come on that tomorrow.
Okay. Sure. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Have a
Yeah.
great day. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.